Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create or start a new board in your team on Miro. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your account on Miro.com and head over to the home section here to the left. And there are 3 different ways how you can create a new board. So as you can see here, boards in this team, there is my current board listed. So you will see all boards inside your account or team listed here. So what you want to do, guys, is option number 1 is click into create new here. Option number 2, you select simply that option here, blank board, or you go with one of these templates. You can also use these templates by clicking into create new here. And after that, simply select board. And after that, Miro will load and give you access to these templates. So you may go with these or simply click into for you here and select, I don't know, for example, this one here, click into preview, and after that, head over to all templates, select a different one, like for example, this one here, click into use, and that is going to create a new board for you. And last but not least, you can create a new board also from your current board. So as you can see here, you're in the customization or editing of the given board with all these tools here to the left. So you simply may click into the 3 dots here to the main board, hover your mouse over board, and click into a new board here and go through the same process again. For example, to start with completely blank board like this one here, or you go with one of these templates here. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.